Today we are here at Doña Remedios Trinidad for a morning ride.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like,
Alright, go, go, go! Okay, so I came from Quezon City to meet up with my brother here so we can ride in DRT. So he's using Yamaha MT09 and I'm with my Duke 200. Okay, there's a shot from his Insta 360 action cam. Nice. Okay, one thing different about this road is it's tight. It's a two-way road, two-way traffic with lots of elevations. So you gotta be careful. You don't have enough space if something goes wrong. Oops. Okay, past him. Traveling at average 60-80 kilometers per hour. You have to be cautious because, wow, there are blind corners here. Whoops, have to brake hard. Careful. Some local rider here. Okay. Some S curve. Oh, have to brake hard. I don't want to overshot that curve. Some vehicles. Another elevation. Left-hand curve. Another elevation. Then moving to the right. Okay, here's another shot from the Insta 360 mounted on my handlebars with a monopod. You cannot see the extensions. That's the beauty of this action cam. Nice. Not enough space. Oops, there he goes. I have to catch up. It's a straight, doing 85 kilometers per hour. The bike is really fast on the straights. Right hand sweeper. Another elevation. You don't know what's beyond the road. There are times that you just can't see it, so you have to be careful. Another shot from the Insta 360. Trying to catch up. S curve. Overshot. Sorry about that. There's really not enough space here. If something goes wrong, you can fall off a ditch or hit a barrier or even a house. This is another barangay. Okay. Speed bump. We are heading to Angat. So from San Ildefonso to DRT and then to Angat, and then go back to MacArthur Highway. It's nice right hand sweeper. So your average speed would be like what, 50-60 kilometers per hour on the curves. There's an elevation again. You don't know what's beyond there, so you gotta be careful. By the way, we're testing these two action cams, the Akaso Brave 7 LE and the Insta360. And need to overtake that vehicle. We're also testing out some gears, so I'm testing out this Telson helmet chin mount and chest mount. So right now the Akaso is mounted on my chest using the Telson chest mount. It's a straight path, and we're communicating via Lexin intercom. And I'm also testing out this Motowolf Balaclava. Okay, so slow down a little bit. Cannot overtake its blind corner. Okay, so he mentioned that it's all clear, so I just let the bike rip for overtaking. So yeah, a 200cc bike can really hang on with bigger displacement bikes on this particular road. Another opportunity to overtake. Okay, nice. Some elevation. You don't see what's beyond there, so you gotta be careful. Nice sweeper. So it's left hand going to the right. Nice road, so you can see the path clearly. Oops, overshot that curve almost. I have to do some trail braking. Right hand curve, going to the left. Some slight elevation there. Going to the left. Wow, this is really a challenging road. You have to be focused, otherwise you can crash. Okay, this is a straight line going, then a left turn, left curve, then going to the right. The only thing that's missing here is asphalt. The ride could have been much smoother. Okay, so let's fast forward a little bit. Okay. So yeah, if you want to try something different, this is the Marilake version of Bulacan here in Doña Remedios, Trinidad. It has been fun, but I can't stay for the day, so while there's sunlight I have to go back to Quezon City. So if you want to ride here, be careful. Master the road first before you go, high speed.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
And that's it for us. Until next time, cheers.